The parabola with equation y equals x squared minus 4 is rotated 60 degrees counterclockwise around the origin. The unique point in the fourth quadrant where the original parabola and its image intersect has y-coordinate a minus root b over c, where a, b, and c are positive integers and a and c are relatively prime. Find a plus b plus c. So to get started, I already drew the parabola y equals x squared minus 4 on this coordinate plane. And so the rotated version is going to be a parabola that looks roughly like this. So we're taking the entire parabola, rotating it 60 degrees counterclockwise around the origin to form this blue parabola. Now, the key insight to this problem, which makes this a very quick problem, especially for number 9, is that these two parabolas, when combined, they are symmetric about this line right here. And this line forms a 30-degree angle with the y-axis from the symmetry. So we can conclude that the equation of this line is going to be y equals minus root 3 times x. Because we know that this line, since it makes a 30-degree angle with the y-axis, it must make a 60-degree angle with the x-axis and with negative slope. So this point is what we're looking for. Now, to find the coordinates of that point, all we need to do is solve the equation x squared minus 4 equals minus root 3 times x. Once we solve this for x, we can then find the y-coordinate. But this equation, this is just a quadratic equation in x. So let's write it in the standard form. And when we use the quadratic formula to solve for x, we're going to get that x is equal to negative root 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 minus 4 times negative 4 all over 2. Now, the thing here to note is that because this point is in the fourth quadrant, x must be positive. So we'll take the positive solution. This will simplify to minus root 3 plus square root of 19 over 2. So that's the x-coordinate of this point, which we'll call it P. Now, to find the y-coordinate, instead of finding x squared minus 4, we actually just need to find minus root 3 times x, because we know that P is also on this line. So y is going to be minus root 3 times the value that we got for x. And this simplifies to 3 minus root 57 over 2. So therefore, a plus b plus c is going to be 3 plus 57 plus 2, which is 62 as our answer.